here for just a sliver of northwestern Carroll County and a little bit of southwestern Joe Daviess County. We also have a tornado warning that is currently only in parts of eastern Iowa right now, but it's butted right up against the western part of Joe Daviess County. We have a good deal of rotation associated with this storm here. If we pull up some velocity imagery on our radar, you can see right near the Bellevue area, right where that green and red is sort of coupled together, that's where we're seeing the greatest deal of rotation, and that's likely what spawned this tornado warning. Now, it's not confirmed if a tornado is on the ground. This was confirmed by radar, but the storm is quickly moving eastward and will be into parts of Joe Daviess County very shortly here. Once again, several severe thunder, or I should say a couple severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for parts of the state line, one of those including northern Winnebago County and southern Rock County up in Wisconsin, as the storm is currently pushing through northwestern Winnebago County, moving to the northeast, as well as another cell that's currently pushing through far eastern Iowa and is now starting to make its way into Joe Daviess and into Carroll County. Let's put a storm track on the storm system that's currently pushing into parts of Joe Daviess and Carroll County. So
yeah, I think you need to do that.
And when this storm is moving eastward, it is going to be in the Loran area a little bit later on today, a little bit, or I should say closer to the 9:20, 9:30 time frame, about quarter to 10 for Lena, and then getting into central Stevenson County in the Freeport area a little bit after 10 o'clock, eventually making its way into Winnebago and Ogle counties a little bit after 10 as well, closer to 10, 15, 10:30 is when it'll start making its way into parts of Ogle and parts of Winnebago counties. So let's zoom out here and give you one more picture of what we're looking at for the time being. Once again, several severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for parts of the state line, including northwestern Winnebago County and a good chunk of Rock County, Wisconsin. This particular severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until 9 o'clock tonight. Associated with this storm is very heavy downpours, lots of lightning, some good winds, as well as quarter-sized hail. So we can expect a little bit of wind damage as well as damage to vehicles because of this hail. That's moving to the northeast at around 50 miles per hour. Now, that is for the warning that is currently in northwestern Winnebago County. The same cell is what spawned the severe thunderstorm warning currently pushing into Rock County, Wisconsin. That particular warning is in effect until 9:45 tonight. Once again, this storm here is moving to northeast around 50 miles an hour. For those of you just joining us, we're going to put a storm track on here so you can see where the storm is going to be and when. So it's going to be in the Beloit area a little bit after 1 o'clock, at least the bulk of this system is, and then in the Clinton area around 9:20 until eventually making its way into Walworth County, Wisconsin, a little bit closer to 10 o'clock, about quarter to 10, about 9:50. So it will start making its way into Walworth County. Once again, the storm moving at around 50 miles an hour with very heavy downpours and up to quarter-sized hail. Let's go back to that storm that is currently pushing into parts of Joe Daviess and Carroll counties a little bit further out to our west. This storm has a severe thunderstorm warning tied to it that is extending into far northwestern Carroll County and far southwestern Joe Daviess County, as well as a
rotation in the storm
that is currently
in
butted right up against Joe Daviess County, right in the Bellevue, Iowa area, and extending a little bit further westward. It's unclear as to whether this tornado warning will be extended
I hope
Joe
not.
Daviess County, but once again, if we look at some velocity radar, you can see a decent deal of rotation associated with this storm system as it currently makes its way into Joe Daviess County. Now, meteorologist Joe Marino is on this particular storm, so he's keeping us updated on what he sees out in the field. So he's going to let us know if he sees anything drop. Once again, it's unconfirmed if a tornado is on the ground. This tornado was spotted by radar. So right near the Bellevue, Iowa area, and a little bit further southward is where they're seeing the greatest deal of rotation. That's what spawned this tornado warning. And it is currently moving eastward. It's going to move toward eventually the Elizabeth area and then pushing into western Stevenson County, closer to the Loran-Kent area a little bit later on today. So let's zoom out a little bit here and give you one more overview of what we're looking at across the state line. So several thunderstorms currently pushing through parts of the state line, many of those not severe warned, but lots of heavy rainfall and lots of